This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your plan and device are ready to share data. This avoids service blocks. Power the phone or portable router and unlock any carrier restrictions. Once the device is on, open Wi-Fi settings and look for the SoftBank SSID exactly as labeled. Enter the pre-configured password or SoftBank ID when prompted. This authenticates access. Make sure the device shows active mobile data. If not, tap the mobile data toggle. Now you're actively advertising a secure network for your clients to join. You now lock the network to prevent unwanted use by configuring encryption and credentials. Change the default SSID to something recognizable, then set a strong password using letters, numbers, and symbols. Once done, open the portable Wi-Fi or hotspot admin page to set WPA2 or WPA3 and reduce the DHCP pool if you want fewer concurrent clients. Make sure tethering and APN settings match SoftBank's recommended values. Then apply and restart the device so all changes take effect. You finish by testing the connection with a single device to confirm internet access and acceptable speed. If pages fail to load, toggle mobile data, reboot the hotspot or phone, and re-verify the APN details. Sometimes the plan restricts tethering, so check your allowance. If the SSID is visible but no data flows, remove and reinsert the SIM or test the SIM in another device. As a final step, back up custom settings before a factory reset and contact SoftBank support for persistent SIM or provisioning problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.